In this class, we are going to learn how to access the official documentation for Oracle Process Automation. Suppose if you're developing a process automation application and if you want to know the capability or feature availability for a specific implementation in process automation, then the best place to look for those things is the official documentation page by Oracle for Oracle Process Automation Cloud. We can make use of any search engine. For demonstration purpose, I am using Google over here. You can search with the keyword Oracle Process Automation and scroll down. You will see a link something like this: Process Automation Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Click on this. You will be landing into this page something like this. There is this option called as documentation over here. If you just scroll down, click on this. Here we have to click on this process application at a glance. As we are focusing in this course for developers only, we are going to click on this design process application at a glance. Click on this. From the table of content, if you see on the left hand side, you can see the introduction for Oracle Process Automation. You can see what capabilities this structured process will have, how to manage the application, that is the life cycle. Also, if you want to learn about model decision, that is a decision model, human task, what are the capabilities available, user interfaces, so on and so forth things, we can have a look at this documentation page. So this is the official documentation page by Oracle for cloud infrastructure process automation. Suppose you are using OPA from your Oracle integration tree or from your Fusion SaaS application or as a standalone resource from OCI. So all three products will be using the same documentation.